It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but we're gonna cut this truck up today. It's 2018 F250, putting on Fab 4's open fender system. And then maybe in this video or another one, depending on when the new tires and wheels get mounted, we'll put the wheels and tires on and see if these open fenders will really clear 38s only on the leveling kit. So we've got a big old bag of hardware, tons of brackets. Here's the open fenders that I got color matched to the truck. There's two rears, there's one front, another front, some more brackets. So I'm gonna get to taking this thing apart and then show you guys how much we've got to cut. One fender's off. Cut this baffling. It's holding it on pretty good. So that's off. We'll get the other fender off. I'm gonna go get that, and then we'll start putting on our templates and getting ready to cut these things. All right, I got both fenders off the bumper. So we're gonna get ready to put all the templates on these fenders. And this crash bar here, as that gets hacked off, and we'll probably a little bit down there, whatever else we're gonna do. So here we go. Okay, so I got both fenders stickered up, crash bar on the passenger side, all these templates on the passenger side. Now I'm gonna get over to the driver's side and get the rest of these put on. We'll start cutting. All right, passenger side's cut. Both fenders. Driver's side. All right. Reinforcement brackets are on the front crash bar corners. Cab corners have the filler plate and then filled with foam. That's done on both sides. You gotta get this bracket on here. Get the rivet nuts in. So get these put on, and then I'll move on to the next step. All right, front is done. Fenders are on. All the supports, inner fender liners in. Nice gloss black. Now we're gonna move on back to the back quarters and use the old trusty painter's tape. Tape both sides up and start cutting. All right, now I'm gonna install the rear fenders. Hopefully this rain holds out. I've trimmed up where the threaded holes are and a little bit where these corners. So that's gonna go on like that. So I'll get to clamping this on, marking the holes, and putting the rivet nuts in. Alright, so now one thing different that I'm gonna do versus Fab 4, they gave some rubber little seals to go on the edge. And I just don't want that showing. So I got this weather stripping. And I put it right along the edge behind it so you won't see it. So I'm gonna put this on and then we'll get the fender mounted. Driver's side rear fender is on. Stainless bolts are on. So now what I have to do is get this panel on right here. Got to trim it up a little bit, slide it in, drill this hole and bolt that in, and drill this and bolt that one in, and it's done. And then I'm on to the passenger side. Alright, fenders are on. And as you can see, the new 2614 concave American Force wheels with 38s are on. Next video, I'll have the front and rear bumper by JFab. We customized it a little bit. And now we're gonna go take a ride on the Razor.